Alright, Jinx!
Is that our wrong carriage? Oh my god! I didn't want to do that!
Shower. This is like a little morning ritual with these guys. Oh my God.
There we go.
There's the morning ritual. Gotta love that one. She just said, hey, pull my finger. Yeah, baby. Oh, Brittany. Oh, cute. How big his foot is? It is, isn't it?
No, you love that.